What's going on, guys? My name is Jeff Cole. I'm a digital artist. A lot of my work focuses around sneaker art, and today we're going to take you behind the scenes of the inspiration and the process behind my collaboration with Balmain and their new shoe coming out. There's a lot of reasons why I really adored the shoe, and one of the reasons is it looks very organic, like it didn't come from this planet. Those are things that really attract me when I'm creating sneaker art, is trying to find shoes that really stand out, have contrasting color blocking and textures, and something that you can really turn into something unique. The first step with this collaboration was deconstructing every piece of the shoe and then manipulating each element in place on the horse, which eventually turned into the unicorn. It led to this. And the final version is going to be a really in-depth animation. I didn't want to do something I'm usually accustomed to, which is just a still 2D image. I wanted this to feel like it had life and some sense of transformation. I'm really excited for you guys to see the animation. We're really taking a full immersive approach to this collaboration. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.